Welcome everybody back to another episode of SeanDo Doesn't Go. I'm your host, SeanDo, and joining me today, I have a very exciting guest coming to us from Centrica. We have Patrick Babic. Patrick, welcome.
Hi.
That's the kind of excitement I like to see, Patrick. Hey, Patrick, for those of our viewers who don't know what Centrica is, give us kind of a high flyby of what Centrica is.
Well, Centrica is an international energy services and solutions company serving about 26 million customers in the UK, Ireland and North America. The business has over 30,000 employees in locations all around the world, ranging from customer contact centers to energy traders working in the financial market.
Now, Patrick, Centrica and you yourself, you're no stranger to VDI, virtual desktop infrastructure. And recently you kind of went through a desktop transformation, but I'm kind of curious as to what was your environment before you moved over, if you can give it to us in non-intellectual property terms.
Centrica was always using some sort of a virtual platform from many years ago. Either it was a terminal services or early version of Citrix or VDI, and over the years we have improved the platform, and most recently we moved away from using physical data centers and physical hardware into fully virtual cloud-based solution.
Okay. And under your old model, I'm kind of curious on the scalability side of the world. When you needed to scale on your old virtual desktop model that was on-prem mainly, what did that scale look like as far as time and effort?
Very difficult, very old-fashioned. It took months to, purchase the hardware, then install it into data centers. We have a seasonal demand in Centrica. Summer are the low periods, perhaps in UK, because nobody's using heating. When we go to winter, we suddenly have a high demand, and we require more colleagues in contact centers. We need to purchase more hardware to supply it to extra, 500 or 800 users. It was very difficult. Took 4 months, end to end. Not very agile, as we would call it. Yeah.
Right.
So
that burst seasonal employee type model that a lot of our viewers are familiar with.
Correct. And also, hardware is aging, we had to then regularly replace the hardware. It just wasn't very practical.
Right. Now you turn to a trusted advisor is what I like to call them. And it is a name that I would bet everybody knows, but maybe they don't know it from this type of work. You guys turned to Fujitsu, is that right?
Well, Fujitsu is our technology partner for many years. They are working with us to deliver end-user computing solutions, and we work as a partners.
So working with Fujitsu, as well as Citrix, obviously, shout out to our sponsor, and Microsoft, because Centrica is a cloud-first organization. You designed a new virtual desktop strategy. Can you tell us about that?
As soon as there was a capability from Citrix perspective to deliver Citrix Cloud, at the same time we looked at whether we can move our compute to cloud as well. And coincidentally, we literally just started to do a large-scale migration of backend services and applications into cloud as well. We used that opportunity to shift the end-user computing into cloud as well.
Okay.
We looked at various ways of doing this, and one of them was to actually do a simple lift and shift and leave it as it was, because we were already from the kind of build and OS perspective fairly lean, but we thought, no, let's make it properly and let's make it, let's simplify it, completely, making sure that, when we go to a new environment, we'll start with a nice, fresh way of delivering the service to our users.
Right.
And we managed to do it very quickly. We worked in an agile manner with our technology partners, Citrix, Fujitsu, Microsoft. We worked with our business colleagues, and we provided proof of concept very quickly. It worked straight away pretty much, and we delivered the platform within a matter of months. And to be honest, it's almost unheard of, in enterprise companies like we are, usually those takes months or years, to actually transform such a huge service.
So it's based on Microsoft WVD, Windows Virtual Desktop. It includes Citrix Cloud. It includes Microsoft Teams, as well as Citrix ADC, rolled out in months to how many users? That's the staggering part.
Took us about 5 months to complete that, for up to 18,000 users. Yes, so we literally
18,000 users.
Correct.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
We'll catch you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.